Daily word list. Sliding, adjective.
Sinking, falling, declining gradually, to a worse condition or lower level.
Inflation, noun.
Simply meaning cost of living, increase of price level of goods and services and vice versa, decrease of currency value.
Consumptive capacity, noun.
The power to use goods and services in the satisfaction of human wants.
Bulletin, noun.
Report, release, statement, announcement.
Anecdotal, adjective.
Not based on factual, scientific reports and observations done carefully, unscientific, informal, unreliable, untrustworthy.
Point to, verb.
Indicate, suggest, denote.
Backslide, noun.
Degeneration, deterioration, decline, slippage, slide.
Flag, verb.
Indicate, identify, point out.
Demand shock, noun.
A sudden and temporary increase or decrease in the demand for a good/product or service.
Inflict, verb.
Cause, impose, exact, wreak.
Ferocious, adjective.
Intense, extreme, strong, powerful, fierce, ruthless, merciless, brutal.
Pandemic, noun.
The worldwide spread of a new disease. The illness spreads around the world and typically affects a large number of people across a wide area.
Cite, verb.
Refer to, mention, make reference to.
Mobility, noun.
Transportability, portability.
Discretionary, adjective.
Optional, voluntary, up to the individual, non-mandatory, non-compulsory.
Doldrums, plural noun.
Dull/sluggish period, depression, inactive, stagnation.
High-frequency indicators, HFIs, noun.
High-frequency indicators, HFIs, of India's economic recovery enable a meaningful and real-time analysis of patterns of economic recovery. The HFIs provide a range of data on multiple aspects of the economy, including fertilizer sales, trade in agricultural commodities, registration of new businesses, registration of different types of vehicles, digital transactions and payments, and demand for wage labor under MNREGA.
Reversal, noun.
Turnaround, turnabout, about face, U-turn, sea change, setback, reverse, failure, hardship.
Indicator, noun.
Measure, signal, sign.
Contract, verb.
Decline, decrease, diminish, reduce.
Month-on-month, adjective.
Used to compare data for 1 month with that in previous months.
Shrink, verb.
Lessen, reduce, decrease.
Preceding, adjective.
Previous, prior, earlier.
Relatively, adverb.
Comparatively, proportionately, somewhat, to a certain extent/degree.
Unscathed, adjective.
Unhurt, undamaged, unharmed.
Dry up, phrasal verb.
Dwindle, wane, disappear, vanish.
Countryside, noun.
A rural district, a rural area.
Reflect, verb.
Indicate, show, reveal, exhibit.
Contraction, noun.
In economics, it refers to a decline in national output as measured by gross domestic product.
Palpable, adjective.
Noticeable, appreciable, discernible.
Hit, verb.
Reach, touch, a level.
Center for Monitoring Indian Economy Private Limited, noun.
CME, or Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, is a leading business information company. It was established in 1976, primarily as an independent think tank. Think tank is a panel of experts who provide advice and ideas on political, social or economic issues.
Moving average, noun.
It is a technical analysis indicator that averages something, for example an employment rate or a price of an instrument, over a period of time and plots that average as a line.
Grip, noun.
Control, power, hold, stranglehold, domination.
Likely, adverb.
Probably, in all probability, presumably, doubtlessly.
Push up, phrasal verb.
Increase, raise.
Precarity, noun.
The state of being uncertain/insecure/unsafe.
Household, noun.
Family, house.
Hinterland, noun.
Remote areas of a country away from the coastal areas/the banks of major rivers.
Look ahead, phrasal verb.
To think about what will happen in the future.
Fiscal year, noun.
Financial year.
Crippling, adjective.
Weakening, damaging, impairing, destroying, spoiling, paralyzing.
Pose, verb.
Create, cause, present, a problem or danger or risk.
Pace, noun.
Speed.
Vaccination, noun.
Treatment with a vaccine to protect against a particular disease, immunization.
More so, phrase.
To a greater degree, to a greater extent.
Semi-rural, adjective.
Moderately rural, i.e. suburb area surrounded by farmland, villages and standalone or independent houses.
Sowing, noun.
An act of seeding a plant or crop.
Kharif crops, noun.
Monsoon crops, seed sowing in the beginning, June, of the monsoon and harvesting at the end of the season, October, in South Asia.
Rabi crops, noun.
Winter crops, seed sowing in the beginning, November, of the winter and harvesting at the end of the season, April, in South Asia.
Portray, verb.
Represent, depict, characterize, describe.
Grim, adjective.
Distressing, upsetting, worrying, unpleasant, dismal, awful.
Picture, noun.
Situation, condition, circumstances.
Barest superlative adjective of bare, adjective.
Mere, very, basic, simple, no better than.
Revive, verb.
Energize, resuscitate, strengthen, regenerate, renew.
Anytime soon, phrase.
In the very near future, but an exact time or date isn't known.
Add to, phrasal verb.
Increase, amplify, escalate, intensify.
Cut across, phrasal verb.
Traverse, transcend, go beyond, pass over, go across.
Accelerating, adjective.
Increasing, rising, escalating.
Wary, adjective.
Cautious, careful, circumspect.
Stagflation, noun.
A period of rising inflation, slowing economic growth and rising unemployment. Inflation is the sustained/continuous rise in the overall price level of goods and services in the economy.
Shrinking, adjective.
Contracting, lessening, reducing, decreasing.
Fiscal space, noun.
It is commonly defined as the budgetary room that allows a government to provide resources for public purposes without undermining fiscal sustainability.
Notwithstanding, conjunction.
Although, in spite of the fact that, despite the fact that, even though.
Expedited, adjective.
Accelerated, quickened, hastened, precipitated.
Vaccine, noun.
A biological preparation that improves immunity to a particular disease.
Rollout, noun.
Official launch/introduction,